Do not give up on yourself. Someone out there still believes in you. Ako, naniniwala ako sa'yo. Minsan kasi gusto mo na mag-give up dahil you have been trying and up to no avail. Hindi mo pa rin naaatim ang iyong mga goals, yung iyong mga pangarap. Do not be discouraged. Yung mga setbacks mo, it's just preparing you for a great comeback. It's setting you up to be better as a person. Kung feeling mo talagang walang naniniwala sa'yo, ako naniniwala ako sa'yo. Naniniwala ako na you will learn from your mistakes. Naniniwala ako that you will be better in your decisions. You will be better in having healthy relationships, better in finances. There's always hope. But learn from the past. Learn from it. Kasi kung hindi ka matuto doon, mauulit lang at mauulit yung problema mo. I believe in you. Laban lang. Push ka lang.